Have you ever stood in a long line and felt your legs get more tired than if you just walked the whole time? Seems weird, right? Why does simply standing still feel so exhausting? Sometimes even more so than walking. You might think standing is resting, but for your muscles, it's actually a pretty tough workout. Today, we're going to dive into the science behind this feeling and uncover why movement can sometimes be a relief. Stick around because the answer might change how you think about taking a break. So, what's happening inside your body when you're standing still? To keep you upright, specific muscles in your legs, back, and core have to tense up and stay that way. This is called an isometric contraction. Think of it like holding a weight in one position without moving it up or down. Your muscles are working hard, but they're not moving. This constant tension puts a squeeze on the blood vessels within those muscles. Why is that a problem? Well, your blood is like a delivery service for your muscles. It brings in fresh oxygen and nutrients, and it carries away waste products like lactic acid. When the blood vessels are compressed, this delivery and cleanup service gets seriously slowed down. Oxygen levels drop, and waste products build up, which is what causes that burning sensation and feeling of fatigue. Your muscles are essentially starving for oxygen and drowning in their own waste. That is why your legs start to ache, and you feel the urge to shift your weight or pace around.
Ow.
Let's compare that to walking. When you walk, your muscles are in a cycle of contracting and relaxing. This is called a dynamic contraction. One moment a muscle is working to propel you forward, and the next, it's relaxing as another muscle takes over. This continuous push and pull action acts like a pump for your blood vessels. Every time a muscle relaxes, blood rushes back in, delivering a fresh supply of oxygen and flushing out all those fatigue-causing waste products. So even though you're moving and expending energy, your muscles are getting a much more consistent supply of what they need to function efficiently. The blood flow is better, the waste removal is better, and as a result, the fatigue builds up much more slowly than when you're just standing in one spot. So, the next time you find yourself getting tired from standing, you'll know exactly why. It's not in your head. Your muscles are genuinely struggling from the lack of blood flow. The best thing you can do is introduce a little movement. Shift your weight from one foot to the other, do some subtle calf raises, or just walk in place for a few seconds. This will help get that blood pumping again and provide some much-needed relief to your tired muscles. It's a simple trick, but it's based on the fundamental way our bodies work. So remember, movement is medicine for your muscles. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fascinating facts about the human body. We'll see you in the next one.